In this video, teacher will teach Chemistry Form 5 Chapter 1. What is redox? Redox is a chemical reaction where oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. Simultaneously means occur at the same time. There are 4 factors to determine whether a reaction is oxidation or reduction. Number 1, oxygen. Number 2, oxidation number. Number 3, hydrogen. Number 4, electron. Okay, we move to factor number 1, oxygen. If gain of oxygen, it means it undergoes oxidation. If loss of oxygen, it undergoes reduction. If it increases in oxidation number, it undergoes oxidation. If it decreases in oxidation number, it undergoes reduction. If loss of hydrogen, it undergoes oxidation. If gains of hydrogen, it undergoes reduction. If it donates electrons, it undergoes oxidation. If it accepts electrons, it undergoes reduction. So how to memorize electron? You can use the formula oil rig. Oil means oxidation is loss of electrons. Rig means reduction is gain of electrons. It also applies for hydrogen. Okay, now we look at example 1. The first factor, gain or loss of oxygen. Okay, this redox reaction takes place between magnesium and carbon dioxide. It will produce magnesium oxide and carbon. So this is the balanced chemical equation for this reaction. So here the magnesium undergoes oxidation because it gains oxygen. And if it undergoes oxidation, it also acts as reducing agent. Okay, opposite. Okay, now we look at example 2. Change in oxidation number. Carbon react with oxygen gas or will produce carbon dioxide. Okay, for oxidation number, you can refer to textbook page 11. Okay, there are 8 rules for oxidation number. So for oxidation number of carbon, it is 0. Okay, rule number 1. The oxidation number for all elements is 0. Okay, oxidation number for oxygen is also 0. Okay, this one also rule number 1. Okay, now for the carbon, positive 4, for oxygen, negative 2. You can calculate this one. Look at rule number 4. The sum of oxidation numbers of the element in a compound is 0. If you don't know the oxidation number for carbon, so you can do calculation. So C you don't know, okay, plus with 2 because we have 2 oxygen atoms. And then the charge for oxygen is negative 2 equal to 0. So C you will get positive 4. From 0 increases to positive 4, it means it undergoes oxidation and also acts as reducing agent. Okay, example 3. Gain or loss of hydrogen. Hydrogen sulfide combined with chlorine gas will give you sulfur and hydrogen chloride. Okay, here, loss of hydrogen. It undergoes oxidation and acts as reducing agent. Okay, now example 4. Gain or loss of electrons. Okay, magnesium react with oxygen gas, it will produce magnesium oxide. So here, magnesium atom. Okay, we look at here, the electron arrangement of magnesium atom and magnesium ion. So magnesium atom loses 2 electrons to become magnesium ion. This is the format to write down the standard representation of element. You need to follow this format for you to get mark. If you don't follow this one, you will get 0. Okay, so here the magnesium atom loses its electrons. If lost, it means it undergoes oxidation and acts as reducing agent. Okay, here another example. For number 1 is a redox reaction because you can see the difference in oxidation number. From 0 increases to positive 2, and here from 0 decreases to negative 2. If increases, it means it undergoes oxidation. If reduces, it undergoes reduction. Okay, how about number 2? Is it redox or not redox reaction? So it's not a redox reaction. Why? Because you can see the oxidation number for nitrogen, same, right? This one positive 5, this one also positive. If there is no change in oxidation number, meaning it's not a redox reaction.